Yo, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today, well, we're working on the asus P2L97 again. In the previous video featuring this, where I built it, got distracted by a Wi-Fi router for a couple weeks, then came back, I said I was dissatisfied with the video card in that computer because it had its highest desktop resolution, was interlaced, it had blurry video, and I also just found out when I had to reshoot this that it had low VRAM, only 2 megabytes. That ain't shit. So in the video, I said I'd get a PCI video card or something. So I did. I went to the local used computer store the other day, and I bought this. It's a GeForce 6200. Also very overkill, and it didn't work. I put it in the slot and the board didn't post. It didn't even try to boot. It's like this was shorting something. I don't know what the problem is, but that still leaves us in a situation where I'm dissatisfied with its video card. So I've been holding on to this for a while, and I think it's a good time to crack it open. This is a brand new in-box AGP video card. Now, despite all the claims on the box, this card is actually ass, and you'll find out why later. But first, let's open it up. Quick disclaimer though, I did actually open this already, but that's just because I wanted to make sure it worked and I wasn't sitting on a fucking egg or something. So this comes with, if you look in the box, it comes with foam, there's a driver CD, and then the card itself. We'll come back to the card. If you look on the box, it says there's if you look in the box, it's got AGP 1.0 support, PCI support, high performance 2D graphics and video acceleration, high performance and quality 3D setup engine. That's a bunch of bullshit. Supports DPMS, DDCI, and okay. It's got driver support for ADI42. This is a DOS program. Windows 3.1, 95, 98, NT, OS2, DirectX 5 and 6, and D3D, and OpenGL. Wow, cool. And I don't even really know where this came from. It's just here. This PC. Somebody told me a while ago when I showed them pictures of this box that this is a rip-off of, like, I think the PC Magazine logo or something. So this is probably just some card that you'd never be able to find anything about online, but that's not the point. The point is the card itself, which is right here. I've already opened it and lightly tested it, so I already know what it is. It is a, I don't know how well you'll be able to see that. It is a SiS 6326 based video chipset. It's not the greatest thing ever, but it is certainly better for at least desktop use than the SiS 305 it is currently installed in this thing. So let's get this thing out, put the new AGP card in, and then we'll go from there. Alright, as you can see, I have opened it, and here is the old video card. If I take it out, Alright, so if we take the old video card out, you can see this is the SiS 305 piece of shit that we are going to be replacing. So we'll put it right there for now, and here is the new card. It's a fair bit bigger, and it has more RAM. Anyway, so we're going to take this and put it in there. And then you just push it down into the slot. And there you go. New video card installed. Make sure everything's pressed into place. Yeah, new video card installed. So I'm gonna screw this all back together, and then we'll get going with the Windows side of things. Alright, we're back, and in front of the computer now. I've already gone ahead and burned the CD with everything we're gonna need, because the fucking disc that came in the box didn't even have the right drivers on it, which is hilarious. So let's get the computer turned on. Put the disc in the drive. And if you saw there earlier the SiS boot logo, it said it had 8 megabytes of VRAM, and it was the chipset that I said it was earlier, the like 6.3 something or another. I already forgot what it is. Anyway, time to wait. And since the last time you've seen this computer, I have decided to make it into my NT workstation computer. So it's running NT 4.0, because I figure, hey, this computer already sucks for games. Why not make it run the operating system that sucks at playing games? So this is just a pretty basic install with no video drivers installed. Well, I think I did. I don't know how well that comes off over video, but the audio is extremely noisy and staticky. I'm sorry, I don't know how to fix that. The ISA sound card I have in here is just like that. It's terrible. I wish I had a better sound card for this, but I just don't. Anyway, if we take a look at this disc, we go here, you can see the SiS 6326. I have all the different OS versions here that I might run on here at some point, but the main one we're after is the WinNT4 folder. So to install it on Windows NT4, it's super weird. You gotta go to Properties, Settings, Display Type, Change. Then have Disk, and then point it at, point it at here. Then the WinNT4 folder and this INI. Okay. And there it is. SiS 6326. Okay. Yes. Yes. Close. Close. Yes. So now it has to restart the computer. Alright. We've booted back up, and look, there's color. It's very colorful now. Are you gonna log us in? Hello? It's also off-centered some. I don't know how well you can see it, but there's a black border there and there. But we'll fix it momentarily. But just shut up, Windows NT. Alright, here's the cool thing. We can crank the resolution 1280 by 1024 and the color depth. We could never do this on the 305, and here we are doing it on this chipset. It's mostly just due to the fact that we have more video memory. But yeah, and then we can apply it, and there we go. It's nice and colorful and good resolution. And we can go run WinMSD. You can see here in the display setting, we got the, let me zoom in a little bit here. Yeah, we got the SiS V compatible display adapter, SiS compatible 8 megabytes of RAM, vendor Silicon Integrated Systems Corporation, and we got that driver version. And here's some other just random information about this system. But yeah, so is it better at games? I have no idea. I'm gonna cut the tape and install a game, and we'll come back and find out. Okay, I'm back. It's been a couple minutes, but I installed Unreal Tournament to see if this video card was actually any better at running the game than the SiS 305. Since this is NT, I can't use DirectX, at least not the DirectX it needs. There's a way to convince it to run up to like DX5, but this game wants DX7, so that's out. Anyway, it has an OpenGL mode. I tried that. I'll put a clip on the screen or something. The mouse, like, you'd move the mouse, and then you'd wait like 5 seconds, and then it would update. So the best demonstration I can show is the software renderer. So I have the software renderer set up, everything on low, 640 by 480 in a window. At least it should be. I'm gonna turn this down. Should be in a window. Did it not save my settings? Okay. So it's just fucked up. Can I move this window, please? It's like Alt spacebar? No, Control spacebar? Okay. This is weird. Let me switch resolutions. No. Okay. There. Now we have a movable window. So I'm gonna move this down here, and then zoom in a little bit so you can actually see the game. Even with Pentium 2, the software renderer doesn't perform that well. It could be a lot worse, believe me, it could be a lot worse, but also the audio is god-awful because of the sound card. I did not... Alright, I'm turning this down a little more. Yeah, I have all the settings as low as they could go, and it still doesn't really run that great, but I guess it's fine because this card gives me higher resolution desktop, which is more than good enough. So, thanks for watching. This is a shorter video. I wanted to just open that on stream, or not on stream, on video, put it in a system, install it, show it off, So, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.